Oh my gosh, okay. Am I ready? Will this rip out my hair? Find out in next episode of What the Fuck is My Life? Let's do this. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amber, and today, after so long, I'm back with another I tried video. I actually don't want to do this because I think this is a waste of my time, but we're going to try this anyway. It's this self-braiding tool. So I purchased this on Amazon. I forgot how much it was. It was not a lot, but still, is it worth the money? Oh my gosh, what are you doing here? Okay, you want to be in the video with me? So it says here on the box, ugh. Okay, it says braid and decorate your hair like a real stylist. Oh, okay. Okay, Susan. I already know this is not... No, it's a no, I think. But the thing is, this actually can be interesting for people who cannot braid, duh. Or people who have like hand injuries or whatever. For some reason you broke your hand and you cannot braid the hair of your daughter, so what do you have to do? You take your hair braider, right? Hopefully, if this is a little bit decent. Oh, batteries. You know, they really need to make USB chargeable devices. Okay, so I'll put the batteries in. Hey! Okay. What is this? What is this? So I have a section of hair. So I'm just going to try on this section first. Maybe this needs to be a little smaller. So the first thing I need to do is take this plate and divide my hair. Okay, so it automatically divides my hair, which is actually, pretty cool. This creates like even sections right away, look. Okay, wait, see? Tack. Oh no. Okay, so my hair is divided, right? Okay. Okay, whew, I don't know. Okay, so I need to hook my hair on these things. Okay, this is not, no. What is this? Girl, this is not how it's supposed to be. Oh my gosh, okay. Am I ready? Will this rip out my hair? Find out in next episode of What the Fuck is My Life? Let's do this. Yep. I'm stuck. This was not a good idea. Crap. Second attempt, but you know, I'm just going to do a way smaller section. I don't think this is meant for like thick hair, you know. Do we have to use this? Oh my god. Do I have to use this? Why is... This is literally such an extra step. Like, I really don't know why anyone... My hair is sectioned. Let's do this. Okay, I'm going to try one more time. Last attempt, seriously, because this is not even, if it's that hard for me to do this and I'm not even a child, oh my goodness. I am doing it extremely wrong, guys. I am not really paying attention. Okay, my fault. Okay, my bad. I skipped the step. I have to pull these things, basically. Bruh. Oh my gosh, I didn't know. Why am I so stupid? Oh my gosh, this is so much work. Yo, gosh, this is how you do it. Oh my gosh. Okay, now for real, let's see if this really works. Who is ready? I am not. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I see you. Hey. Oh my gosh, no way, they did not tangle my hair in a knot. Oh hell no. Who is responsible? Just play. Okay, let me okay, let me tell you guys, this is where the tutorial ends because I'm not down. No, this is not sis. This is not no. Oh my gosh, it literally created this knot at the end of my hair. Literally. Nah, sis. This is not worth it. This tiny ass braid, how do I even unravel this? The braid is not even neat. It's like all the way crooked. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, this is a fail. Huge fail. Don't buy this at all. If you see this, run. Okay, run. I don't even let my kids play with this. And I don't even have kids. Okay, that says enough. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, kind of seeing me fail with this product. Thank you so much for watching this video. Definitely stay tuned for my next I tried video because I have a few tools here that I need to try out, but I'm so scared. Okay, but I'm just going to do it. You guys will see in my next video. So definitely subscribe if you have watched till the end and you're still here. What? Subscribe! And I will see you in my next video, okay? Bye!